Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Gmail's confidential mode is a security feature designed to protect sensitive information from being shared without permission. When you receive an email sent this way, standard options are missing. You might wonder if you can download attachments from these messages. The short answer is no, you cannot download attachments directly from a Gmail confidential mode email. Google intentionally disables the download button to keep the data secure. You also cannot forward, copy, or print the content of these emails. This is because the sender wants to maintain control over the file. If you try to right-click on the attachment, you will find that the save option is not there. There is no official way to bypass this restriction within the Gmail interface. Some people try to get around this by taking a screenshot of the document. While this lets you keep a visual copy, it is not a real file download. It also might not work on certain mobile devices where screen captures are blocked for security reasons. If you truly need a downloadable version of the file, you must ask the sender to resend it as a standard email. They would need to turn off confidential mode before hitting send. This is the only legitimate way to save the attachment to your computer or cloud storage. This feature exists to ensure that private documents do not end up in the wrong hands or stay on a device indefinitely. Always respect the sender's privacy settings when handling confidential files. Using workarounds might violate company policies or personal trust. Understanding these limits helps you manage digital security better.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.